Yeah, no, guy, more they go, I beg.
Yeah, no.
So that girl, they wait for us.
They chewed alone, I swear.
Bro, wait till they some say, which kind of settings be this now, bro? Why everybody go buy bottle water, you go buy pure water now, guy?
I'm sure we say, why everybody go buy bottle? Now it's 100.
I don't tell this guy. My nose this guy for this setting.
My heart's they pure. Now why didn't pure water?
This guy, now the most foolish person. Guy, wait till me this. Corn.
Why did you mad? Guy, you don't see the
guy, you mad? I go use water bust your head now, you Chris.
No, see the
which kind of settings be this?
Guy,
you don't spoil the aura when you carry corn here finish.
I don't smell like corn.
Guy, throw that corn away. 1.
Throw him away.
Throw that corn away. 2.
Throw him away, guy.
3, 4. Throw that corn away, guy. Guy, throw that corn. What you now? More leave me. So I'm saying make I throw the corn away. Throw that corn away, guy. You go chop. Do you want to eat?
I trust my guy, like.
You don't think I do on some kind stuff too. One way.
So I thought like person goes down the dope, someone will say, if I told.
So you mumu like this and not know.
Bro, what do they do now, guy?
Bro, what do they worry this guy now? Are you okay? We are in the public now. We are outside now, bro.
I'm doing some fitness training.
Bro, you know go gym, go do fitness training.
Look at this dude.
Bro, we outside. No, they do like fool guy. Stay motivated, I beg. Stay pumped up, guy. Everywhere, pomo.
Momski, calm down now.
I go minus you for this setting soon.
Where go this me?
Oh Jesus.
You're gonna bastard.
Is it dollar you want? See, I have dollars. I swear. So you just follow me to my side tonight. Like, how many dollars is there? Can you count it?
Guy.
Yeah, I just came from the UK last week.
I don't see you.
Yeah,
I don't tell you now. What do you wear my boxer again? Which kind of rubbish? What do you wear my boxer now?
Bro, it's one film that we watched last night.
Stop. Can't change that big. I won't wear him like this.
Bro, you mad?
Come on, baby, so I don't know, like, I can't wait to off your pint tonight, spreading your pint so wide, like.
Look at this dude.
Yes, let's come here like this.
That your shit.
Calm
down now. Talk. That your shit where you flush. You know, go. You still there. You still strong like this.
Guy, piece of shit, like, sheet of paper.
Guy,
sheet of paper.
That your infection. You don't cheat them.
Don't the guy mad. Which kind of baby this? What's that do with gay guy?
That infection, she don't go.
Like,
I don't get another drug. I won't give you now. Why they ask?
What thing they talk now? What thing they do? Which infection you give me now? You mad? Guy, come on for you, guy. You mad?
We go to see for us, Abby. I go every package another HIV drug. Come, no worry.
You don't want to think like.
What is that? What?
Bro, can share the infection. You love me now. Share.
Petit.
Come on, bro.
Oh my God, I'm tired. I want to sit.
You want to sit down?
I should sit.
Come and sit down. Come and sit down here now.
No, sit. Can sit here.
Okay.
Jesus. Who's you?
Everywhere good. Yeah, everywhere good. Yeah.
Table water.
Table water.